Metabo Siding Nail Gun. This is not sponsored. Should you buy it? I know they're very expensive. I know at Lowe's I think they're like 400 bucks. I got this one new for 280. Um, I would definitely buy another one. I actually bought two of these. I'm comparing this to the DeWalt siding nailer. I've gone through about four of those in the past 8 years. I'm very impressed with this tool. We ran 1,100 feet. No issues, no jamming, no torn up nails. Held air very well. I'm very impressed with it. I like the sound. Very impressed with the tool. Should you buy it? In my opinion, yes. I would definitely purchase it if I'm a avid fence builder or just if you want a quality tool.